Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to add and set up a multi step form, which helps you organize info or questions on your form into smooth and easy to follow steps that your site visitors can fill out. Perfect for job applications, event registration, and more. So, here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button, go to Contact and Forms, click on Create New Form. And this is the form editor, and this is where you can build your form. First, let's add pages. So go to the Pages button on the left and click on Add Page. Add as many pages as you need to. Once you're done adding all the pages you need, go back to page number 1 and then start building your form from page number 1 onwards. So go ahead and add a header to serve as your title and then add the fields that you need to add on the first page. By the way, you can sort them out by dragging and dropping them like that. And if you need to manage a specific field, click on it and tweak its settings here on the left according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done working on the first page, go to page number 2 and add the fields you need to add there. Then once you're done, move on to page number 3 and onwards until you finish working on your form. Once you finish working on it, go to the Preview tab to take a good look at it and interact with it like a visitor would. Once you're done previewing it, don't forget to go to Settings and properly rename your form so that you can easily identify it on your dashboard later on. Apart from renaming it, make sure to also set up its confirmation message, spam filter, form status, where you can set its expiration date and limit its submissions. Once you're all good, click on Save and close this window. And if you ever want to edit the design of your form, click on it and go to Settings. Go to the Design tab, and here edit its form background, form fields, header and paragraph, and buttons however you want to. And once you're done, click on Save to save your progress. And if your site's previously been published, you're going to have to click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will also reflect on your live site. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.